Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Midnight Frisian. Today, it's very interesting actually because it looks like it's nighttime in this championship. Not exactly used to that. And it's actually the middle of the day, too. It's kind of interesting. It's like 2:30. Not AM, but PM. Good luck, everyone. Oh, goodness. Looks like Follow has some competition this time. Though I'm using a screen recorder, so I'm probably not gonna win because of lag. But I can try. Alright. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm on a Skype call while I'm on. Making this video, so. Oh my god. Holy Jesus. The turning is so different. 1 second, guys. Oh goodness. Oh god. Mousewood's on that Fjord horse. She has very good turning. The old models have very good turning, so. And oh, shiza, I messed up. Well, that was a good idea. I'm not doing this to win, though, do not worry. I'm doing this to show you that it's nighttime in this championship, and Christ, I messed up so bad. Wow, this horse has become a failure. Okay. Oh, why is this? Oh my god, this horse. I swear to god I'm gonna sell this horse. Okay. Of course I'm in 7th place because I messed up so frickin' bad. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it lagged so bad. Oh goodness. Well, Follow's not doing that bad for messing up so bad. I haven't ridden him in a while, so that could probably be why. Well, this race was certainly very much a failure, but it's so odd because it's nighttime in this championship. But I failed epically at it, so it was not worth it. Anyway, the point was that it's nighttime in a championship and it never happens. The bad part is that I failed so bad at it. I'm blaming this on Follow, not me. This time.